Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is okay. I hope that no one is panicking, but you don't really have any reasons because yeah, the market is pretty much the same for the last 1 month. Some small movements, some small dumps, small pumps, but yeah, we are just going sideways. However, a lot of other things are happening in the cryptoverse which we need to discuss about because there are some things which are coming up for Ethereum. We have a secret tweet from Benjamin which we are going to dissect, and also around ZoidPay a lot of things happened, and yeah, we need to congratulate them. Before that, the intro. Yeah, I'm making the same joke as in my last video. That's how boring this market is. Okay, let's go forward. First, the market. Bitcoin is going sideways. Now we are back again below the 20k. Nothing much to see about here. We have a support at 17,000 something. If that fails, that we will probably go down to the 12, 13th. However, I don't really think that it will happen. We have another support at 16,000. I don't know what is going to happen. We are waiting for the Fed's statement whether we are in a recession or not. Probably we are, as you can feel it in the last 6 months because of the money printing, energy crisis, war, all this stuff which we forget about, but they are still happening. So we can't really hope for too much good news. I assume you know that. Therefore, I am prepared for another dump, for another capitulation. Plus, in Texas, some mining rigs will be shut down for some time because a heat wave is coming, and they are afraid that it's going to damage the grid or the miners. Therefore, yeah, we might see some dump here and there. That might be a good opportunity to scoop up some Bitcoin, and everyone is deciding for themselves, obviously. Therefore, this is not financial advice. What I can see that we are going sideways. Everything is very undecided. People don't know whether they should buy or sell. Whenever there is a small pump, some people realize some profit, or maybe I don't know, they just they just think that okay, this is the last pump and from now we are going to go in a big dump. I really don't know. I am still waiting for Bitcoin to go back to the 30,000 to retest that resistance. I don't think it's gonna go over it. I just think that after that we might see a bigger capitulation. However, I think the final and biggest capitulation will be when the miners will sell some Bitcoin, because as you know, a lot of miners are still making profits. Therefore, miners who are accumulating, if they see a pump from the 20 to the 25, 30, they will probably take some profits. They will sell some Bitcoin in order to cover their electricity bill, and yeah, they also need to buy some stuff from the grocery stores. So that is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for miners to capitulate because we didn't see that yet. And that could be the final and biggest capitulation or dump we would see in this bear market for Bitcoin. That is when I will start to accumulate with bigger amounts. I am planning to buy in again at 17,000. I think we will reach the 17,000 in a shorter term. I might not be right, but if we do, I will buy some here and then I will buy some here, and here is where I will stop. Of course, if we go below 10,000, that will be very cheap, and I will just DCA continuously. However, with not big amounts, I have my sum of money, let's say, which I divided in like 15 occasion. That means that whenever Bitcoin takes a dip, then I buy some Bitcoin. That's my plan. DCA. Okay, let's go forward. Ethereum is taking some big ups and downs. However, I want to point out that here we kind of have or had an upward trend line. Now, if we say that this is still a higher low, I mean, higher than this one and higher than this one, and we have not a higher high, we could say that we are in a triangle again. Now, should Ethereum break out of this triangle, or maybe it already did, that should indicate that we are gonna go lower. Now, there is this saying that Ethereum leads the way, meaning that if Ethereum pumps, Bitcoin will follow. However, I think in this last bull market, Ethereum pumped and dumped after Bitcoin. So I don't think Ethereum leads the way. I think Ethereum got so much beating in the last couple of months that Ethereum cannot lead the way anymore. And yeah, it's pretty much manipulated or just shocked by the market, by the news. As you can see, it has a higher volatility than Aaron, for example, because if you measure this one, this is an 18% in minus since I don't know, I can see it since July, I mean beginning of this month. If I go to Aaron and I measure that, This is the beginning of July. This is 14%. I would expect the small altcoins like Aaron to dump and pump more than Ethereum, because it should be something like Bitcoin, Ethereum like 20% more, and altcoins 10% more or something like this. We can see that, and that indicates that Ethereum is heavily manipulated. Also, we have a news about that, and that is about institutional investor sentiment about Ethereum improves as merge approaches. If somebody doesn't know, that is the switch from proof of work to proof of stake. And people think that Ethereum will pump when the merge happens. I don't know if it's going to pump. I think it also brings a lot of not problems but questions, because the SEC said already that, I mean, Gary Gensler, that he thinks that the only commodity is only Bitcoin, everything else is a security. And I think that is because of the proof of stake, and it's not truly decentralized anymore. It can be manipulated, it can be stopped and shut down by one institution. So that might be the cause why Gary Gensler said that, okay, all the altcoins are securities, only Bitcoin is commodity. We will see. I don't know. Going forward with Aaron, the Maya Launchpad is taking another step. And if we go into the time chart, let's say, you can see that on the 14th of July, tomorrow, you can buy CRT lottery tickets and NFT mystery box lottery tickets, meaning that you need to have some liquid Aaron. They will announce how much the ticket will be, I mean, how much Aaron you need per ticket, and then you can buy your tickets with your Aaron. You can't unstake and buy with that, because you have a 10 days notice period or cooldown period. And by the time the Aaron from the unstaking reaches you, the listing will already happen. So I don't think that anyone should unstake to buy lottery tickets. You just don't have enough time for that. Therefore, you will need some liquid Aaron. And that is why I'm thinking that Aaron will probably have some volatility. As you can already see, there was this this green candle with the wig. This might have been a rejection for the resistance. I mean, I have this triangle for so long now. I am always saying that, okay, we need to break out of this. And if I put here this support, yeah, as you can see, we are just dancing around these resistance slash support lines, and I just don't know. And Aaron doesn't know where it wants to go. Obviously, it depends on the Cantina Royale lottery tickets. It depends on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, so on, so on. So we will see how the market goes, what the Fed is coming out with. Are we in a recession or not? Probably we are. I mean, I can feel it. Okay, just go and buy something, and you will see whether we are in a recession or not. Going forward, we do have some very interesting announcement for Cantina Royale. Just let me grab this tweet. As you can see, you can win $10,000. It's on gleam.io. If you click on this, you will see that you have multiple entries with Discord, Twitter, and Aaron wallet address. Just do it. Give yourself a chance. Make sure that you did everything you can to win one of the prizes, which can be from $150 to $2,500. So the 10,000 is like a cumulative. Okay, it's the combined of all the prices. But still, hey, getting $150 for free, it's not too bad, right? Okay, let's go forward, because Benny Minku tweeted that breakthrough. What that means. I also tweeted him this funny GIF, and Cotton here said that he would mark the 5th of August. Now, if somebody doesn't know why, Benny has this half moon next to his name, and if we check the moon phases, the next half moon is August the 5th, and we are expecting some announcements on the 5th of August. I don't know what that will be, but it's kind of a breakthrough with something. Maybe it's with some institutions, it's with CBDCs, or with other projects. I have no idea, but something is coming our way. Probably it will be interesting. I'm not saying that it will just push the price up, because we are in a bear market, prices don't move that much, but obviously it is advised to look out for that news and decide based on those advancements, let's say, or progress, whether you want to invest or not. So yeah, obviously totally up to you. Okay, let's go forward. So ZoidPay launched their Zoidsters. This happened, I think, last week. Big success. Congrats to them. And I just wanted to highlight here that existing shopping pool owners who've not yet migrated their pools from TRC21 to ESDT, they should do it until the 22nd of July, and they will get a free Zoidster NFT. And I really like this GIF. I don't like that it's cut in half because there is an MF word next to it. And I also pointed it out that, yeah, you should have left the full sentence in the GIF. Yeah. So, and by the way, with the GIF, don't write in the comments that it's GIF. It's not, okay? It's graphics. That's the G stands for, it's for graphics. But I know that there are a lot of discussions about that as well. Let's move forward. Let's check the ZoidPay Zoister. So if you want to buy one, you can buy on these three. Frame it. Soxno. Soxno. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Can somebody put in the comments how to pronounce the new name of this marketplace? Because I know that they just changed it not long ago. I don't know how to pronounce. I will just pronounce it Soxno. So you can buy on Soxno and on Aeron NFT Swap. And as you can see, the floor price is 7.38 Aeron. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I like these NFTs. They are a bit out of the box. I also saw a Dracula somewhere. So there is also some thinking, some traditional or Romanian authentic design behind the thinking. I really like it. Congrats to them. Pretty cool stuff. And I don't know yet which Zoister is with the shopping pool, because as you know, one of the Zoisters utility is that you get a shopping pool for free, for which you would need to buy 150,000 ZoidPay or ZPay coins. And I don't know which one is. I didn't see any tweets about that. If I missed it, put it in the comments. I would appreciate that. Okay, this was all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the content, like, big red button, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Take care.